Why the vibration of a simple pendulum is actually a damped vibration? Why it is not a natural or a forced vibration? Have you ever proved it experimentally? So let's do an experiment and understand the concept. So everyone, in our experiment, this is the bob of the pendulum. Now it is at a maximum displacement and it has not touched the cardboard. If I release it, it will start to vibrate in this way, right? And if you just see it carefully, that the distance of separation, it is increasing, right? Initially it was at this point, but now the separation, it has increased so much. So we can see the vibration of the bob of the pendulum, it is not a natural vibration or it is not a forced vibration. It is actually a damped vibration because air resistance is affecting the vibration of the bob of the pendulum. But if I apply some force, like in this case, if the displacement is greater, then what happens? Obviously it will touch that cardboard.